Hi, welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today we are talking all about my favorite skincare brands and my favorite skincare products of 2021. Let's hope 2022 will be a much better year. I want to start this video by thank you for all of your support to my channel, to my videos, and to my mission and what I want to accomplish on YouTube. I wouldn't be here without your love and support, and thank you for always commenting on my videos, interacting with me. It makes me feel like a human, a friend, and someone who has a community. Well, let's use this water to cheer for the next 20 more years to come on YouTube. How about that? Cheers! How appropriate. I'm doing a skincare video and I'm drinking water. That's actually one of the biggest thing is your skincare routine should start inside out. First of all, you need to drink enough water, you need to get enough rest, you need to eat fruit, vegetables, greens, and you have to get some exercise on a daily basis. A skincare routine is like building a house. You need to start with the foundation. Well, very appropriate since, by the way, spoiler alert, I'm a real estate agent now. If you're buying or selling in Seattle, Washington, or any area in Washington, hit me up. I don't really talk a lot about skincare on my channel. I focus more on makeup and fragrances, but I want to change that. When I first started investing and learning in skincare products, I didn't really have any good channel that I can find that I can trust completely. And also skincare is extremely personal. It can work for someone wonderfully and works terribly for you. So the more sources of information online out there you can find, the better. I hope that I can be one of those resources for you when it comes to skincare products as well as makeup, beauty, and fragrances. So I've been rambling on for 4 minutes and 26 seconds, so let's start. Very reliable brand I want to talk about. This is like if you don't know what to do, if you don't know what products to find in Sephora, I highly recommend you check out First Aid Beauty. I have here my Ultra Repair Cream. I have reviewed a few of their products on my channel. Usually there are sales, especially this time of year. There will be like this huge size of this product for like $15. So I would highly recommend you to check them out and restock or buy them. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream this time of year. I have both the size, like this one is the new one, this one is the one I've been using, and you can use this very simple moisturizer for your face, your body. Whenever my skin is freaking out, I reach out for First Aid Beauty, specifically this Ultra Repair Cream, because it's just so soothing and it's very simple. It doesn't have any specialized ingredients, retinol or something like that. It's just very straightforward. It's a moisturizer that doesn't have any harsh ingredients. And with these brands in general, they are pretty good when it comes to ingredient lists. I'm not a chemist, I'm a skincare enthusiast, so I can only speak on my best opinion and experiences. Balm Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. This is an exfoliant for your body, and it has AHA in it. So when you have like dark spots on your skin, I find that if I use this like once or twice a week, after a few times it kind of goes away. So it does work very well. I've seen a lot of good reviews on this product as well, and I know a lot of people are suffering with these things, this situation. So this would be something to try out. I need to be better at using it because I'm not very consistent. But yeah, I'm working on it. They're relatively affordable compared to other Sephora brands. And I also like their firming moisturizer. I have reviewed that. I like their cleanser a lot. And I also like their morning moisturizer with SPF 30. Check out those videos on my channel. I will try to remember to link them down below, but oh well, my memory is. Another great affordable option that is available in Sephora. Sephora has quite a few affordable skincare brands these days. This one is a good one. This is The Ordinary. I have here the 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. This is just a beauty oil. This is like $10 or less, and I've been using it for like 6 months and I use like half of it. You only need like 3 drops every time you use it. I like to use it at night on top of my skincare. A beauty oil will keep all of the ingredients, all of the products you applied previously to be sealed in. So like a layer of film on your face to seal them in. So the moisture is not going to escape and your skin won't dry out in the morning after you sleep the whole night. That can be a problem if you're not used to having a thick layer of skincare on your face. You might need to take some time to get used to it, or if you have oily skin, I don't think you need this product. A moisturizer is probably enough. For me, I have combination skin, and in the winter time like this, I do get very dry. I find that my makeup don't flake off, and I don't have like dry flakes all over my face. So that makes the makeup routine much easier and it looks much better. They have all kinds of serum, they have cleanser, they have a lot. Some of them I have good reactions, some of them I have had breakout from. So I would say go slow with the ordinary and see what products work for your skin. The only thing we can do is to try and get samples, make sure your skin like it. Another affordable brand that I have really enjoy is Laneige water sleeping mask, and this is the water bank moisturizing cream. Been on the market for years, probably 6-7 years now, and they're just pretty affordable. This is a Korean based brand. Their products does have a bit of fragrance, so if you are sensitive to fragrance within your skincare or you're just not a fan of it, then this is not a brand for you. Water sleeping mask is like one of my favorite sleeping masks ever out there. I've been repurchased this for a while. This is just a free sample. I think I got this for my birthday this year from Sephora. Yeah, with a lip mask as well. They have great lip mask. If you have super dry skin, they probably have other products in this Laneige brand that will work better for you. These are more of a lighter consistency and more watery base, so they're not going to be super thick, but they get the job done and they are very soothing on the skin. And I do notice a difference the next morning when I put on this sleeping mask right here, and their lip mask is one of my favorite lip masks out there. First Aid Beauty have a beautiful lip balm as well that is thick and it's just really good for nighttime, just as a thick layer and go to bed. That one is also my favorite product. Another brand that is very well known is Drunk Elephant. I have tried a lot of their products and I do think that they all work well. They have amazing packaging. For example, this is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. It's just a moisturizer. Look at the packaging. So you push on this and the cream come out in the middle. So it really protects the integrity, the skincare ingredients within their product. So that's a plus. Look at this one as well. This is the TLC Framboise Glycolic Night Serum. Look at this packaging. So you twist it and it's open like this and you pump it out and you twist it back. How amazing is that? Great ingredients. There's not really chemicals, weird things in there, and they work really well. This is a thick moisturizer. One of the heaviest moisturizers I have used. If you have super oily skin, it might break you out. You might want to go slow with it. Use a small amount at a time and kind of warm it up between your finger to get the product a little bit more thin. And this serum is one of those serums that when you stop using it, you will realize how it works. Last year, I used the whole tube and then I ran out, and then after like a month, I realized my skin has some weird texture. And then after I got this, I started using it and now my skin is fine again. So that's a thing with skincare products as well. They are harder to see the result and you have to really try it out before you notice really anything is changing on your skin. I've used their cleanser, I've used their mask, I've used their vitamin C serum. The only thing I don't like about Drunk Elephant is the price. It's one of the most expensive skincare brands out there. If you find something within the line that works for you, I would say it's a great investment, because even though it's expensive, it's really the only downside. Everything else is amazing. What do you think of these brands so far? Let me know in the comment section. Let's start a discussion and share information so that we can learn from one another. Because let's be honest, no one has the budget to try all of these brands. Sunscreen that I've been using is Super Goop. I have here the Play sunscreen and I have the Unseen sunscreen. This one has SPF 40, this one has SPF 50. Only this much left. This is amazing for everyday sunscreen. Sometimes when I'm lazy, I use this alone after I wash my face as like moisturizer and sunscreen as well because of how moisturizing it is. If you have oily skin, honestly, you don't need a moisturizer before this. You just use this and that would be enough. SPF 50 is an appropriate amount and it's pretty dewy. I have a review, so if you want to hear more information. And then for this unseen sunscreen, I use significantly less often than the Play sunscreen just because it's kind of like a makeup product and it is mattifying. If I actually use it as a sunscreen, I would need a lot of it, and sometimes it can break me out because it can clog your pores. It kind of like the professional kind of a consistency. It's like a silicone base and then it smooths things out and it does keep you matte longer throughout the day. So you can use this as a primer. There's nothing wrong with that. Overall, nice product. I just use it less often than the Play sunscreen. Another product here I have is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I have the sample size. I don't use this a lot. It's expensive. It's not really the best skincare product out there. It's more of a skincare slash makeup based product. I find that when I use this moisturizer, it has that smoothing effect because it's so thick. It's kind of like almost like a balmy texture, and then when you blend it out, it smooths things out and it does make makeup application much easier and look much better. So I only use this when I know I will wear my makeup and I want it to look good, kind of like a big event kind of a deal for me. If you have the budget for it, if you are a Charlotte Tilbury fan, and if you want to have that Hollywood flawless makeup look and you want to find a moisturizer that can work as a makeup base and primer as well, this is for you. I believe it has some kind of sunscreen technology in it as well, but it's not classified as a sunscreen. Okay, that is all the brands and products I want to mention today. I know there are a lot more out there. Glow Recipe is another good brand. I do like Tacha product a lot, and they're kind of like Drunk Elephant where they're expensive, but they're worth it. Here's the lawnmower again. So let's wrap this video up. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful. Let me know what you think of these products. Of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification button, and have a great holiday season. I will see you soon in my next video. Will be the best of makeup products of 2021. So stay tuned for that. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.